Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying legality and risk. You are responsible for what you change. Once done, make a complete backup of your Ps4 system and saves to external storage or cloud so you can recover. Make sure to note your exact model and firmware version. Those details determine safe options and compatibility. You should prefer official theme stores or community homebrew that explicitly states compatibility and risk. This avoids irreversible damage and preserves your warranty and account integrity. You proceed by selecting trusted sources, official PlayStation themes first, then well-known community projects that publish integrity checks. Once selected, validate any package against published checksums or community verification to reduce tampering risk. Make sure to test on a non-primary account and isolated storage partition if possible. That practice limits account or data exposure. If a tool or theme requires elevated access, pause and reconsider. Safety and reversibility matter more than cosmetic changes. You finish by applying only verified themes and watching system behavior for crashes or odd network activity. Once installed, make a fresh backup so you can return to this stable state. If anything goes wrong, make sure you have a clear recovery plan, booting into safe mode, reinstalling system software from official media, and restoring your earlier backup. If problems persist, stop further modifications and seek help from official support or reputable community forums rather than continuing risky attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.